Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create MetaTrader for real account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your MetaTrader 4 account. After that, what you want to do is click on Settings. Now click on your account, which is Demo account. Now click on plus button. Now, as you can see, it's showing that to open a real account, please contact your broker. So in order to do that, you just have to contact your broker and open your real account. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.